Okay, so the one on the left is the good one, and this one is the bad one. The difference is that the plastic on this one is is considerably actually more scratch resistant, while the one on the right is very easy to scratch, and I'm going to demonstrate. So, and then on this one, you can see the marks. And then we can see that this one has a more shiny finish, whereas this one doesn't really reflect much light, and it's just very easy to scratch. This one is basically more sort of, it has a smoother finish, it's more slippery, and it doesn't get scratched. So something has changed, uh, either in the plastic or in the injection molding process, but this one is definitely better.